Ever wondered what happens if you sneeze in space? Spoiler, it's messier than you think. Flushed face. On Earth, gravity pulls your sneeze down. In space, the droplets just float around. Grimacing face. And guess what? A strong sneeze can actually push you backward. Newton's third law at work: every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That's why astronauts are trained to sneeze into tissues, because floating sneeze particles in a space station? No, thanks. No entry sign. Fun fact, astronauts even practice sneezing in their space helmets, just in case. Smiley face. Like and follow for more mind-blowing space facts.